Incident of inflation or increase in the general price level is a common global phenomenon and depends on monetary fiscal policies, unemployment rate of each countries in the world. However, the causes and impact of inflation might differ among countries. Today in this video, we will know about the impact of inflation on an economy. Let us find the interesting impact of inflation on people who borrow and lend money within an economy. Suppose you wanted to buy a t-shirt that cost 100 rupees. Instead of buying that t-shirt, you lend that rupees to your friend with an interest rate of 10%. After a year, you get back your 100 rupees along with 10 rupees additional as interest income, and you then go to purchase the same t-shirt and find out that it costs 106 rupees today, which indicates 6% increase in the inflation rate. If you purchase the t-shirt, you are left with only 4 rupees in your hand instead of 10 rupees which you assume to be your gain from lending. This situation is better explained as Fisher effect, which shows the relationship between nominal interest rate, real interest rate and inflation rate. If inflation rate goes up, the real interest rate achieved by the lender goes down, making him worse off. The borrower gets better off as he pays back the amount which has lesser value or purchasing power today than when he borrowed a year back. So inflation is good for borrowers while it's not so good for the lenders and leads to a redistribution of wealth between them. Let us find out the impact of inflation on customers. In case of demand pull inflation, demand is greater than supply, and this excess demand in the market motivates the firms to produce more. As a result, output goes up. Cost push inflation also increases the production cost, leading to higher market price for the goods and services. This situation motivates businessmen who speculates more profit out of production. So production takes place in the short run and leads to increase in saving owing to the higher marginal propensity of saving of the businessman belonging to high income group. This leads to capital accumulation, which is absolutely essential for economic growth. But on the face of continuously increasing price, demand will fall in the long run because of low purchasing power of money held by consumers. Fall in demand also influences the producers to cut back on production, leading to increase in the job loss and unemployment. What happens to public saving when there is an inflation? Well, in the short run, people prefer not to hold the money in hand, but either put them in bank or invest in real estate or buy golds. But when price level keeps on increasing in the long run, it keeps on eroding the value of money drastically each day. Then people decide to spend the cash than saving, and it further affects the future scope of investment. Inflation also has important impact on trade balance. Inflation in a country makes its goods costlier in comparison to the goods of world market, which leads to fall of export and increase in the import by the home country. Increasing import depletes the stock of foreign reserve of home country, and decreasing export indicates drop in the export revenue, which leads to negative trade balance. So, what can we conclude about the impact of inflation on an economy? Well, inflation in certain target limit is healthy for an economy. This target range set by central bank through monetary policy known as inflation targeting. Globally, nations have different inflation target range. But for India, this range lies between 4 to 5%, known as comfort zone. Inflation rate exceeding the comfort zone possibly can cause recession or even depression over time.